It's already 6:53. So hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. And today is 23rd of June. As I posted the story yesterday night in the Instagram, I'm traveling to Bhairwa today from Sri Airlines. We had a flight of 8 o'clock, but it's delayed due to rain, and now now airlines has confirmed that the actual time is 9 p.m. In this video you are going to experience the train journey from Gorakhpur to Kathgodam, that is 25 kilometers from Nainital. So let's begin with the journey. I hope you love the video and enjoy the video. We are ready to fly high. This is our boarding pass. Let's fly. Finally, after 20 minutes of flight, we have reached Bhairwa. Background noise के कारण साउंड नहीं आ रहा, तो आई एम सॉरी, माइक चार्ज नहीं था, so we'll continue till Gorakhpur. This is located in the city of Gorakhpur, Indian state. So Gorakhpur Junction is located in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It has 10 platforms and 26 tracks. Gokartham Express is this one, Gorakhpur Junction, which starts from Gorakhpur. So guys, we are right now in Gorakhpur. I'm feeling happy right now because after 3 years I'm visiting her and I'm boarding the train from this station. It's 8:02 and we are still in Gorakhpur. I hope we'll depart soon from here. अब सीधा शॉट लेंगे तो सुबह कल सुबह का आई होप आप सबको मजा आएगा कल सुबह का शॉट. सो बाय, मीट यू टुमारो मॉर्निंग. Hey guys, good morning everyone. This is our day 2 of our train journey. I hope you are enjoying this train journey. If you are enjoying, please hit the like button एंड या कमेंट करो, शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये वीडियो को, और सब्सक्राइब भी करो चैनल को। और अभी हम लोग क्रॉस किए शाहजहानपुर, इन विच we are 7 o'clock already, and we've just now crossed Shahijahanpur, so we are delayed by 2 hours 35 minutes. I hope we'll be reaching Kathgodam by 11, by 1, not sure. So yeah, enjoy the video of this day 2. I hope you love it. Bye bye. So these are the tracks of Bareilly railway station. Reached after 16 hours of journey from Gorakhpur to Kathgodam. It was a nice journey, and yeah, we enjoyed. Now we are going to Nainital from a cab or else with the bus. Let's see what happens. So we have reached finally to Nainital after 1 hour 30 minutes of drive. So this is the room which we have got. I'll give you the room tour of ours. So here's the So thank you guys for watching this video. If you loved and enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button, comment down below, share with the friends and family, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about my videos. Till then, bye, good night, take care, sabak khair, wait in the next video, bye bye, be safe, travel safe.